intshumayelo, thandazela abantu faithfully. Even in times where there is no money, I will enter here. Uma ngingahambisa ngegigaba and all other things that take place in the church, ngakho ngingathembeki. Sometimes kumuntu la kade ekhuluma kabi ngami, awufuna umthandazo, and I have to lay a hand ngithandazele ukuthi akasinda akaphile kade ekhuluma ngami. Ningabheki phansi, phela bazana banaso isikhathi sokubahleba abafundisi. You have to stand and be faithful. Are you faithful, sir? Do you pray? After I tell you, so when you go and thandaza, kodwa ngiyakuthandazwa ngithembekile. Thandazwa nje la. Futhi isikhuluma iqiniso. Abathembekile. Mina ngisathandazisa mfundisi. Please stand. Ngisathandazisa. Ngikwenza udlula kanje eduze kwakho. Ngathi ngidlulela ufuna umuzwa ukuthi uthini. Abanye you will think bathandaza abathandaza aphuma ngisho voice esephakathi. You can see that's why uma sengiza mina I struggle to deal with them because kade bengathandazi. Mina ngabe ngiyarida ngiyathandaza, you come to people that bengathandazi who are not even ready. This is a prophetic healing and deliverance church. It's hard to be here. You can just come here once. Sathana kuxasule ngaphandle ngiphinde ngibuye. Khuthalela. Can I preach bazalwane? So khuluma ngezona ngithi ngishila so 3 days khuluma ngezona. But now ufuna ukwakha ube yikho. Thembeka mzalwane. Abanye siyakhonza kodwa abantshontsha abasebenza khona. Bantshontsha esikoleni. Une calculator ngiyone yawo. Impilo ngelone lawo. Kodwa umzalwane sikhonza nawo. Abanye ngitshontshe imali zabazali. Abanye niyaphendula emakhaya, niphendula abazali. Insindi esayiveli ngoba enye into engifuna ukuxoxela yona, abanye abazali asikhonzi nabo la. Insindi ba expect ukuyibona kuwe, kodwa insindi abayiboni ngoba ufike ekhaya wenye into awuthembekile, uyikholwa elikhohlakele, awuthembekile. Othisha esikoleni awuthembekile. Futhi wena basingathatha le nto yakho ukuthi uyathandazana impela mfethu singakunikeza higher grade, kodwa eqinisweni awuthembekile. Awuthembekile, uzungathembeki even to yourself. Abanye awubheke nje, abanye nithi ne library kanti nebafanele athembekile. Khuluma nawe baposta bese beyasihide ngoba awuthembekile. Fa hide umfundisi bese uyampost. Abanye nepost amatiki, nepost izandla, nefihla kade sintshethe izandla ezinoboya siyayibona. Izandla ezinoboya ezimnyama siyayibona. Lezi izandla lezi ezendoda.